Hello everyone. I'm running a little experiment here to see if it's feasible to use Google text-to-speech function to generate a transcript of a video, clicking on this microphone. So I'm in a Zoom session. I have opened a PowerPoint. I have a Google Doc opened, and the Google Doc is transcribing what I say. My experiment here is to see if it's easy to create the transcript this way while I'm recording the video. I think it's just one more thing to keep an eye on. So let's look. Here's my PowerPoint, how to make a video transcript using Google Speech to Text, an experiment. So now I'm going to click on my next slide. When I clicked on this next slide, the microphone turned off. It went from red to black. So right away I know I have to keep an eye on this. It's not going to automatically record everything I say if I start clicking around on other things. So watch, you can see the microphone is red here and it's merrily typing away. I'm going to click on the next slide. Okay, so I clicked on the next slide, it shut the microphone off and did not actually advance my slides. So keep that in mind. I had to double click the next slide, go back. You saw me fumble a little bit, but I have to click in the doc, hit the carriage return, or enter, as they call it these days. So hit enter to get to that new line and click the red microphone again once I'm sure I'm on the right slide. So to do this, I opened a new Google Doc. Click on Tools. You can see there's a Tools option up here in the Google Doc. Within Tools, there's Voice Typing, which is Control-Shift-S. That's what I clicked on, Voice Typing. And I just shut it off, so I'm going to turn it back on. Control-Shift-S. So you have to make sure the microphone is red. Red is recording. Red is recording. So let's take a look at our doc and see what it looks like. I'm going to shut the microphone off and we'll glance through the document and see how our transcript is. Okay, microphone's off. Enlarging the transcript. It says, so I'm in a Zoom session. I have opened the PowerPoint. I have a Google Doc open, and the Google Doc is transcribing what I say. My experiment here is to see, well, that's not bad. When I click on this next slide, the microphone turned off. I went from red to black. So like randomly capitalizing words like black and tools down here, and doc. Of course, doc was DOC. It's not bad. I think if you think you're going to have a lot of trouble making captions, this is an alternative. Okay, so keep it in mind.